Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today's webinar. I am Jordi Alfaro, Product Marketing Manager at Premio, and I'm excited to take you through a deep dive of our JCO series rugged AI edge computers powered by NVIDIA Jetson Orin modules. The goal of this webinar is to help you understand not only where industrial AI technology is heading, but also how our JCO series delivers reliable solutions for physical AI deployments. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly which JCO system best fits your applications. Before I jump in, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll cover today. I'll start with why AI is moving closer to the action. I'll explain the edge continuum, the key drivers behind the shift, and where the JCO series fits in, specifically in the rugged edge. From there, I'll talk about the rise of physical AI, what's fueling it, and the 3 steps to actually get started. Next, I'll go under the hood of NVIDIA Jetson Orin and JetPack 6.2. I'll walk you through the Jetson modules and explain what's new in JetPack 6.2, including the updates that boost AI performance at the edge. After that, I'll introduce the Premio GCO family series. Here, we'll look at how we designed these systems, their key features, and how they deliver value for different applications. Then I'll move into some real-world applications and use cases, showing how customers are using the JCO series to power robotics, smart cities, and also AI vision. And finally, we'll wrap things up with resources you can take away, product briefs, case studies, and decision toolkits to help you guide your next step. All right, with that roadmap in mind, let's get started with the first section, why AI is moving closer to the action. As AI becomes mission critical, we see a major shift happening. Workloads are moving from the cloud down to the edge. This is what we call the edge continuum. The 5 drivers that empowers this shift are real-time decisions with ultra-low latency, bandwidth and cost efficiency, distributed intelligence at scale, support for physical AI and generative AI, and strong data privacy and security. Premio support this continuum across the smart device edge and on-premise data center edge. With product segments tailored for industrial, rugged, and specialized deployments, the JCO series sits squarely in the rugged edge, designed for extreme environments, power-efficient performance, passive cooling, and advanced I/O customization with our XBoost technology. Entering the era of physical AI. Now, where are we in the bigger AI picture? According to Gartner's 2025 Hype Cycle, 3 technologies stand out at the peak of inflated expectations: multimodal AI, AI agents, and AI-ready data. Multimodal AI is about combining vision, speech, and sensor data to give AI a more human-like understanding of the world. And AI agents move us beyond simple chatbots into systems that can actually perceive, decide, and take action in both digital and physical environments. And AI-ready data remind us that without clean, contextual, and trustworthy data, none of this intelligence can scale. What's important here is that these trends are not just academic. They're fueling what we call the rise of physical AI. AI that doesn't just live in data centers or the cloud, but actually runs in the physical world, where things move, change, and require split-second decisions. So when you look at these trends, they all point into one thing. AI is moving into the real world. That's the rise of physical AI. And getting started with physical AI really comes down to these key 3 steps. Step 1 is simulating your environment. This is where you create digital models of the real world, whether it's a factory, a warehouse, or a city street, so you can test safely and at scale. Step 2 is training and validating your AI models. Here, you take real-world data, combine it with simulated scenarios, and refine your models until they are accurate, reliable, and secure. Step 3 is deploying at the edge. This is the most critical step because it's where your AI actually meets the physical world, running in robots, physical, or infrastructures where decisions have to be made in real time. And in this 3rd step, deploying at the edge is where Premio specializes, with rugged industrial-grade computers built for real-time AI in demanding conditions. At the core of JCO series are NVIDIA Jetson Orin modules, the foundation for physical AI at the edge. The AGX is the high-performance tier, with up to 275 TOPS, 2048 core Ampere GPUs, and 64 Tensor cores. This makes it ideal for multimodal AI and even running LLM inference in advanced robotics and vision system. Next is the Orin NX. Orin NX is the mid-performance tier with up to 157 TOPS, 1024 CUDA cores, and also 32 Tensor cores. Also, it has up to 2 NVIDIA A engines. It is perfect for AMRs and also industrial AI where multimodal workloads need both power and efficiency. And the Orin Nano is the entry performance tier with up to 67 TOPS and also 1024 CUDA cores. It delivers efficient AI for space and power-limited devices, capable for lightweight multimodal tasks and smaller SLM at the edge. Together, these modules scale from entry to high performance, giving you the flexibility to deploy multimodal AI and language model across robotics, vision, and smart infrastructure. Now, hardware is only half of the story. What really unlocks the power of Jetson Orin for developers is the software, and that's where JetPack comes in. JetPack is NVIDIA's full development stack, and it is what allows developers to build, optimize, and deploy AI applications directly on Jetson platforms. With Jetpack 5, NVIDIA gave developers the foundation to start building and testing AI workloads on Orin. Now with Jetpack 6 and the latest 6.2 release, the foundation has matured into a platform ready for production-scale deployment. And the best part is that Premio's entire GCU series comes with the latest Jetpack 6.2, so developers can immediately take advantage of the latest software stack when deploying AI at the edge. So now that we've seen Jetpack has evolved, let's take a closer look at what's new in Jetpack 6.2. The headline feature is Super Mode, which lets Orin NX and Orin Nano modules push their CPU, GPU, and DLA engine to peak performance. This is especially valuable for multimodal AI and small language model inference at the edge. We also see updated AI frameworks, including TensorRT, CUDA, and cuDNN, making inference faster and more efficient. Another important improvement is expanded support for multimodal AI, combining vision, speech, and sensor data in real time. Developers also benefit from improved tools like enhanced insight debugging and profiling, which make tuning and applications easier and more reliable. And finally, Jetpack 6.2 comes with long-term lifecycle support through Q3 2028, giving customers the confidence to move from prototyping into production with stability and security. For developers and system integrators, the big takeaway is this. Jetpack 6.2 shortens the path from testing to deployment, making AI applications faster to build, easier to scale, and more reliable at the edge. Now, let's talk about how Premio takes this technology and makes it deployable in the real world. That's where the JCO family series comes in. This is our lineup of Jetson Orin Edge computers designed for the real-world environments, where reliability, durability, and performance all matters. The family comes in 3 tiers. The JCO 6000 at the high-performance tier, built for the most demanding AI vision and mission-critical workloads. The JCO 3000 as the mid-range tier, balancing strong AI performance with compact, rugged design for robotics and industrial AI. And the JCO 1000 as the entry-level tier, ultra-compact but flexible, ideal for mobile and embedded edge deployments. Together, the JCO family gives customers a scalable lineup, from entry to high performance, so you can choose the right system for your applications, whether that's robotics, smart cities, industrial vision, or infrastructure AI. Let's start with the flagship JCO 6000 Orin series. This system is provided by the Jetson AGX Orin, delivering up to 275 TOPS of AI performance, making it the highest performance option in the JCO family. Where the JCO 6000 Orin truly shines is in camera-intensive workloads. With Premio XBoost I/O technology, it can support up to 4 PoE cameras, or 8 line cameras, or 8 GMSL cameras, or even up to 10 USB vision cameras simultaneously. That level of connectivity makes it ideal for smart city video analytics, advanced robotics, and defense applications where high-resolution multi-camera input is critical. XBoost I/O is Premio modular expansion design that allows integrators to customize the system I/O for their exact application. Whether you need more PoE, additional LAN, or specialized interfaces, XBoost I/O makes it possible without redesigning the system. That flexibility sets JCO 6000 apart from competitors who only offer fixed I/O. And of course, All of this comes in a rugged, fanless design with wide temperature support and EN 50155 certification, ensuring the JCO6000 Orin series can perform reliably in the harshest industrial and mobile environments. The key takeaway for the JCO6000 Orin is it is the most modular Jetson AGX Orin computer in its class, with XBoost I/O customization and rugged reliability that outperforms competitors in camera-intensive and mission-critical deployments. Next, let's take a look at the JCO3000 Orin series. This system is powered by the Jetson Orin NX and Nano modules, giving it scalable AI performance in a compact and rugged design. What makes JCO3000 stand out is its balance of performance and size. It is built to operate in wide temperature environments up to 60 degrees Celsius, and with its fanless chassis, it is reliable even in harsh industrial conditions. The JCO3000 also supports up to 4 PoE connectivity, making it easy to connect multiple IP or machine vision cameras directly to the computer. It is a strong fit for AMRs, AGVs, and industrial vision systems where you need robust AI performance in a small form factor computer. It is also support remote out-of-band management, giving the ability to monitor, control, and maintain system remotely, critical for scaling deployments without adding overhead. The key takeaway for the JCO3000 Orin is a compact Jetson Orin Edge computer that combines rugged wide temperature design, 4 PoE plus connectivity, and scalable AI performance, helping customers deploy robotics and vision applications more efficiently. Finally, we have the JCO1000 Orin series, our entry-tier system, but it's designed with flexibility in mind. The JCO1000 Orin series is provided with Jetson Orin NX and Nano modules, and with JetPack 6.2, it unlocks the super mode performance. This allows the CPU, GPU, and DLA engines to be pushed to peak performance when workloads demanded it, giving customer extra headroom for multimodal AI or smaller LLM and SLM inference at the edge. Another strength of the JCO1000 Orin series is its multiple standard I/O configurations. Customer can choose from model with 1 gigabit Ethernet LAN and OLB management, or configuration with dual LAN, or even rugged M12 connectors paired with GMSL camera support. This flexibility allows system integrators to select the right setup for their applications, whether that's in-vehicle AI, compact robotics, or smart infrastructure without paying for unused features. And like the rest of the JCO families, it is rugged and fanless, making it reliable in space-constrained and power-constrained environments where traditional systems can't go. The key takeaways for the JCO1000 Orin series is it is small, powerful, but flexible. The JCO1000 Orin delivers Jetson Orin AI with multiple I/O options, enabling reliable deployment in robotics, vehicles, and smart infrastructure. So here's how the JCO family lines up across performance tiers. At the top, the JCO6000 Orin series with the Jetson AGX Orin is our high-performance system, designed for camera-heavy, mission-critical workloads with XBoost I/O for maximum customization. In the mid-tier, the JCO3000 Orin series, powered by the Orin NX and Nano, balance strong AI performance with compact, rugged design and support 4 PoE plus connectivity. And at the end, the entry tier, the JCO1000 Orin series delivers Jetson Orin AI in an ultra-compact design with flexible I/O options. And also it has the GMSL camera support and super mode for efficient deployment in space-constrained environments. Together, the JCO series provides a scalable lineup from entry to high performance, so customer can choose the right fit for their deployments. Now let's take a look how the JCO series powers the real-world physical AI applications, bringing intelligence out from the cloud into the environments where decisions need to happen in real time. There are 3 key areas where the JCO family makes a direct impact. The first is the vision and perception. With the JCO6000 ability to handle high camera density, manufacturers can run vision language models like VLM models for quality inspections. This allows AI to classify complex products variations with high precision, improving yield and reducing waste. Second is process and infrastructure AI. The JCO3000 enables localized intelligence for smart cities and industry operations. Its rugged wide temperature design, modular I/O, and PoE connectivity make it ideal for urban infrastructure tasks such as traffic flow optimization, utility management, and public safety. The third is the autonomous mobility system. The JCO 1000 Orin delivers compact but powerful AI computing for AGVMRs and forklifts with multiple standard I/O configurations, GMSL camera support, and super mode capability. It provides the real-time perception and navigation needed for safe movement in dynamic warehouse and factory environments. So across vision, infrastructure, and mobility, the JCO series delivers rugged, scalable edge intelligence that turns physical AI into reality. Okay, we've talked about the big trends, the Jetson platforms, and how JCO brings physical AI to life. If you'd like to dive deeper, we've got some more resources ready for you. First, our product brief gives you a quick technical overview of the JCO model, specs, features, and certifications at a glance. And the second, we also have case studies that highlight real-world deployments, showing how our customers using JCO systems to solve challenges in robotics, smart cities, and industrial AI. And third is our decision toolkit, which provides step-by-step guidance with practical checklists to help you choose the right system for your applications. You can grab all of this on our website, which is a simple way to explore which JCO is best fit for your next project. Before we wrap up, let me quickly recap for today's session. First, we see how industrial AI is shifting from cloud to the edge to meet demands for real-time decision and secure data handling. Second, we talk about how physical AI is emerging as the next big transformation, moving intelligence into the real world where systems can see, decide, and act. Third, we looked at NVIDIA Jetson Orin and JetPack 6.2 as the foundation, bringing the performance and developer tools needed for multimodal AI and language model at the edge. And finally, we showed how Premio's JCO series delivers the rugged edge hardware to make physical AI real. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this webinar provided you useful insights around our JCO family series, and I look forward to share more with you in the future. Build rugged, be ready. See you next time.